Hey, this is John here with another tip and trick. And on this tip, we're gonna focus on ways to streamline wrapping your hanger wire on like a bar joist job, and versus getting up there on a lift and hand wrapping them. We're gonna show you how we make a twister pole out of a piece of 3/4 conduit. And you know, I know traveling around the country, I've worked with a lot of guys that, oh, I invented that, or I knew the guy that invented that. So I'm sure you guys have heard that before too. But also traveled to a lot of parts of the country, and we're, you know, guys, they haven't seen you do this. So we thought it was worthy of a tip and trick. So here we're just gonna take, you know, preferably an older pair of snips, piece of 3/4 conduit, and we're gonna cut out like a triangle piece and fold it out for a wing, put a little tab on it, and that's what's gonna help us twist our hanger wire. So a couple different ways you can do this, and I'm going to show you up in the air on the bar joist. You either A, slide this wire in your conduit and then put it over the bar joist, and you come around, catch this, and that's what twists it for you. Otherwise, if this wire's already up there and you can reach by hand and put it on, then you just take the pole on your tail and you come up. And sometimes if the bar joist, it might be like this, you got to take that pole and flex it to get that to hook. And then that's what's going to get your wrapping of the wire. And slow as you do that and pull down, and you'll get your wraps. And we'll show this more clearly up in the air. So here I like to hook, if you notice I hooked the cross member up there, because now this thing can't slide left to right, it's locked in. And now you just come up, see how that leg just grabs it, and I'm gonna go nice and slow. We're gonna show it reverse now. We're gonna show if it was already up on the bar joist. So here's another way of doing it. The wire's already up there. Instead of feeding the conduit through the wire, you can go here and feed the tail. And basically, same thing, just kinda. So our next sealing job, if you're wrapping wires, just remember 3/4 conduit and make yourself a twister.